Welcome back. You are now looking at Fiverr.com, and we're looking at a search called WP Installation and Setup. Now, Fiverr is a freelance website where most of the positions that you will want to hire somebody for will cost you $5. So you can easily set up your website or home base if you go to Fiverr.com and have someone do it for you for $5. Now, if you're willing to spend a little more, you can have one of those outsourcers create a website for you on Squarespace.com. If you're looking for an easier website to manage, you can do the same thing with Wix. It's possible you may not want to spend anything on your website to start, and if that's the case, you can get one at Blogger.com or WordPress.com. And on this site, WordPress will be hosting the website for you, and your customization will be limited. However, you will be able to focus on your interview show. Now, if you are more technically inclined, you can install your own website on one of your existing domains with existing hosting. If you look at your software section and you look at either Fantastico, Softaculous, or Site Software, you will be able to install a website. Once you're inside of Fantastico or Softaculous, you will then look to the blog section, you'll scroll down to WordPress, you'll go into that link, and you will install a brand new copy. If you have an existing domain and you already have content on that domain, you can choose to create a website in a subdirectory. So for example, we're going to create a subdirectory called The Interview Show. And once we do that, we're going to create a username, password, we're going to put our email address in there, and then we're going to give our show a name. Once you've completed everything, you're then going to click Submit. You'll click Proceed, and then WordPress will begin the self-install. Once you have your login and password, you can then click the link that'll bring you to this login page. You'll then type in username and password, and then click Login. And now your website is set up and ready for customization. Until you decide to pay for or pick a theme, you can use one of the existing themes that WordPress already has, and then you can click Activate. Once the theme has been activated in WordPress, you can then visit your site. You now have a self-hosted website ready to use as your home base for your interview show. Now, as time goes forward, you'll want to have more variety in your design, but to get started, you now have enough to begin to allow others to experience your interviews. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.